Yo! Happy Friday! Happy Friday! Let's see what we have going on today in the market. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. Took out some levels on the weekly chart. Pushing up here a little bit. We had a weekly high at 26,754.75. And below that, we took out the level of the weekly high of 26,580.50. So those levels are officially taken. Today, if you don't know, I'll wait till we pull up here. Let's see. All right. Turn trade mode on, right? That'd be smart. Let's see what we get. Gonna open here in 6 minutes. 6 minutos. 6 minutos. Open. Open this up a little bit. Get a little light in here. Get a little light. Alright. So we're gonna be a little patient today. Gotta be patient every day. Not just today. Every day. Every day, every day, every day, every day. Gotta be patient. So we come down into this, test this weekly. That weekly high that was taken out. Might come. Fans turn fans on. Portable setup. Buenos dias. How do I pin? Engage Q&A. Right, we got 2 minutes before the market opens. Pulling back a little bit. We got the weekly there. Stay low. Yesterday we didn't really sell off. we kind of had some pullback like midday yesterday. So this week we didn't get the big sell-off. Didn't get the big sell-off. Will we get it today? That remains to be seen. Do we get a bounce back to the upside once we come down to the previous day high? I wonder what we would do there. PDH, previous day high. And we are about to open up. We're about to open up the market here. When we're off, we're open. Open that up. Get that going. Yeah. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Do we get the previous day high? Do we get that? We got some big numbers popping up. So these levels, I wonder if they will act as resistance at all. Pre-market. Will they act as support or resistance? If we touch the level, but 26,754. That would be a good entry. Got in that little quick one. So let's just see what we're gonna get this morning. Will we be able to go long at previous day high? Because at the level of value, if we can get to let's just say between 26,555 and 26,562. Might be interested at that level. Coming down. We had a strong candle before the market. That 5 minute candle that started at did you guys see that candle? The on the 5 minute chart, the 8:45 candle, 100 points in 5 minutes. 8:45 went from that candle went from 6:02.25 to 7:19.75 in 5 minutes. The 8:45 candle. Absolutely insane. Insane. Are we getting the sell-off, guys? Are we getting the sell-off today? Are we getting the sell-off? The longer-awaited sell-off. I don't know. I can't say. I cannot say. Would make some sense, but I don't know. Will we finally sell off? This daily chart, man. Yeah, we swept liquidity on the daily chart. We swept small time highs from back in October. So we look at that weekly chart. We swept liquidity. That was at 26,754.75. Boom, right here. So we swept that nicely. Are we gonna retest that area and come back down? That could be a re-entry, right? To go short. Tight stop loss. 754.75. Where is that at? That's right here. And that was also the that's a level. It is a level, but we are pushing so strong though. Took liquidity. We are pushing, man. It is just, look at that daily chart. Look at those candles. Just ripped. Like just insane. I wonder if we retest that high. 724. I wonder if it's gonna retest that 754 level. Maybe some low volume. I wonder if we get a retest up there. Hey. See if we can use. Oh, touch that 50. Touch that 0.5 level. Break through. this chart. Do we have any consolidation that we can look at? 87. Do we have any 6250? Well, let's just say 7. Slow that down just a little bit. Calm the noise down here. $7.59 and $7.41.50. Could that be an area to go short? What's up? What's going on? Yeah, buenos dias, buenos dias. Buenos dias. Yeah. What we gonna get today? Can we get these bags today? But yeah, I made a trade in the Asian session, so I'm up as we start the day. Nothing like major, but like up $316. Well, anything is major if you get a win. Let's not talk like that. $316 on each account. I'm up. So I'm up a total of $6,320 across 20 accounts now. So I'm not looking to go crazy. If I see something that looks good, I'll take a look at it. But fully recouped from that loss on Wednesday. So that's good. Got that money back from that foolish Wednesday I had. Foolish Wednesday, man. But yeah, we had today can be interesting. We got OPEX. So this is OPEX third Friday of every month. Occurs on the third Friday of each month, serving as the deadline for monthly stock, ETF, and index options contracts. This day often brings increased trading volume and volatility as traders close, roll, or exercise positions, frequently leading to price swings as market makers hedge. So today we may have to be a little careful. Just don't know. Can't trust them. Can't trust them. We don't know what they might try to, what rabbit they may try to pull out of their hat today. But just wanted to put that out there. OPEX Friday. So, but that's really, we don't have any more news really of importance going on. Nothing really on deck today besides that. We took out a lot of liquidity. We took out a lot of sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity. So if there was any day that would make sense for it to sell off, it would be today. But again, we can't call it. We can't call it until we see it. We cannot call it until we see it. What is this right here? Yeah, we had some buy side liquidity taken out. Daily chart, some liquidity from last year, October, taken out. Weekly highs taken out. So we keep pushing today to the upside. Goodness. I mean, that would be amazing. Probably come back up here to 27. Oh man, yeah. I wonder if we're gonna retest that 754.75 level. $754.75. I wonder, do we retest it? Get up there. Got some. We got a lot of low volume up there though. Definitely got some low volume. So we're struggling to get past this level here. That's interesting. So will we get above 720, I wonder? Probably. Ooh. Oh, this is pumping. Yeah, it's pumping, man. It's every day this week. Every day this week, man. It is. So that held right there, huh? That held. We get pulled back up into 73, 75. We're up there now. 73, 75. It looked like it wanted to. 84. Do we get 84? Will it keep on going though? That's the question. 92. 95. 95. 98. 16 right there. Negative. That's negative right there. So let me see. It's negative. So we're going negative and going up. All right, where's it trying to go? Where does it want to go? $7.19. Probably gonna sweep that level, right? $7.19. Where else could this thing possibly? Well, being that it came down, it came back up like that. It's probably gonna. Probably pushing up to do something. Probably. Are we gonna retest that previous weekly high? 754. There's definitely some low volume up here. That's without a doubt. 0 prints. It's breaking through that. A lot of low volume. Let's check out this. Let's check out this 5-minute chart. Let me see what point of control is. At 700. So we broke through point of control. We got above that level right there just now. Is that gonna hold though? Is this 719 gonna hold? Sell. Man, that would be a good stop loss though. if it were to might want to go some more, but our buyers getting absorbed. Keep that below below 692. $38. Whoa. Look at these candles. Yeah. $38. That flip too just now. Very interesting. Still a little suspect on this price action though. Some was not going. Yeah, this is still a little bit suspect. Suspect. So do we break above 720 or do we break back below 685? That is the question. Do we I said 720 to 7, let's just say 680 to 720. I feel like as long as we are in 720 to 680. As long as we're in this box right here, it's probably not a good idea to get in. as long as we are in that box, I don't think it's a good idea to take a trade in this box that we're in now. Just doesn't seem like a good move. Now, because we broke above the box, we broke above and below this box. Below it twice, above it once. And now we're going back above it. So I would need to see some type of something convincing. But we already swept liquidity at 754. So for it to go, I don't know, chat. Point of control just inched up. Are we gonna retest that weekly high? Got a little supply right here on the 1 minute. Got a little supply. I'm gonna push through supply on the 1 minute. This right here is the previous week. Previous week high. That's a strong, kind of a strong level. Previous week high. To retest it. So I wonder if we're gonna get some sellers step in right there, right here. Do we get sellers stepping in or not? Not yet. $52.
Order filled.
Tight stop loss. I just want to see if we can grab this level real quick. Because we are up there at a, that's a weekly high. 754.75. So we get stopped out, but we only risking about 10 points, so I'm not tripping about that. Put it right here back at that high. So I don't know, we may get, we might get stopped, but 56, 10-point stop loss. So that's the only reason I went short, because of that's like a got a supply zone right there, and it's also a weekly high that was taken out. I'm just wondering if we're retesting that. See some sellers stepping in, but We don't know how strong they are just yet. One micro, so we're light. Might get stopped out though.
Stop field.
Lost about $15. So I had to try that level because it was a previous week high. Previous week high. Supply zone. We're still in the supply zone. Still in the supply. Now we're pushing up through it. Going up to that extreme. So 775 would be like an extreme discount if it is a sale. 777. Three sevens, that's the lucky number, right? $66. Took out a lot of liquidity. 775. Looks like we might be coming at 775. Fin de semana. Whoa. Nice. Look at this one right here. Wow. Did we go up? Top. Kind of still in that supply zone right now. Kind of, sort of. Push stuff from there. Pushing up from here. But then we get a. Do we get up to 774? 775. The first one was there, so we might. $781. $781.50. What happens at $781.75? $781.75. That would be right here. $781.75. So we came out that box. $781.75. I'm going to put an order at $781.75 with a 10-point stop loss. Tight stop loss. Light risk. Let me get that wick entry. So we came down, we ran up 845, 100-point candle. We come here and take some orders at 775. And if we don't take out the high, this entry could work. But I gotta take a shot at this one. I'm going light, going light though, going light. I feel like I want to take a shot at this one though, because, well, that's a big order right there though. Just want to see what happens at 781. Because that's also okay, so it's coming off that. Did we get a strong rejection here? Fair value gap on the 5-minute. But it's not the 5-minute is doing this here. So if we get a third candle. Oh, that's a retest right here of the high. What's the high right here? The high is 756. Push down to 730. That's what? 756. So it's pushing past that. Push past that level right there. 756. Low volume area right there. 766, 67. 8. Take that off. See if we can get short in these 60. No, let me see. Volume is decreasing. $7.76. No consolidation going on. Looks like the buyers are maybe getting a little weak though, to be honest. Looks like the buyers are getting a little weak. Got some support right here at 58. Short 58. Stop loss there. Oh, that flip, heavy flip. That's a heavy flip right there. That Delta flipped. Man, can we get a feel though? Can we get a nice feel?
Order filled.
Stop loss 15 points away. Light 1 micro. but the buyers were looking like they were getting weak. Let's see if that holds up. Let's see if it holds up. Delta flip got really strong. Need to push down to confirm this move. So I'm in real light right now. 5-minute candle closed right there. 5 points. That's 50 for 50. Alright, there we go. So break even. That was an aggressive candle. Point of control. Up $36. Let me just take that quick.
Order filled.
$5 profit real quick. Let me just snatch that. That thing flipped. Goodness. Don't like that wick right there. But I just wanted to snatch it quick. Just to get the coins I lost on the first trade. Just to get those coins back. Real quick like. It's still sketchy. So I'm like, let me get that back. See if we can find anything else. See, we're pushing back up a bit. Yeah, this area right here. Because it still could be a buy. So I had to close that trade out. This is an interesting area we're in now. Low volume. We did push up with these buyers. Point of control. So the buyers may have been Point of control, 714.50. Not evident what we want to do yet. Imbalance, man. And some balance right here. We're gonna retest 754. Do we get a retest of 754, chat? That's the old weekly high. That's right here. Old weekly high. Yeah, it's not really feeling like a sell, to be honest. It just doesn't really have the characteristics at the moment. This is looking like some traps, some bait. That's what it looks like. If anything, sweep that level. Got this level down here. That didn't take any liquidity from that candle. So the price action intraday, we've been just grabbing up some buy side liquidity. Intraday, no sell side liquidity has been taken. This level right here at 26,712.75. Actually is wrong. Let me see. Oh, it did it right there. Let's take a look at ES. The ES chart consolidating on the 1 minute on the ES. consolidation on the ES. And we still didn't break above 754. Not yet, anyway. That's consolidating. So I need to find out. Let's see if I can find the date. Here it goes. So we had that. So 10/19. Let's look at that time. 10/19. 10/19 yesterday. 10/19. But that was going. So that was going till what time? 41. And by 41 it was already. So that was doing. Broker going up. Sideways to drop. It's pretty much going 11:29, 11:29. Stopped at 10:04. Stopped at 10:04. 10:04 is right here. I said 781.75 was an interest area of interest. Right here, 781.75. Everybody. Now you want $20. Got an order at 781.75.
Order filled.
Well, I got for 781. Stop loss 790. Let's go stop loss. Little breathing room. 794.
Stop filled.
Alrighty then. Thought if we swept that candle, it might pull back down. short right here.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get popping. Let me take that off. Might get stopped out, but I put it at this high just to see if we can get a push down here. Can we get a close below 768, please? They want 800. It wants 800.
Stop filled.
All right, 20 bucks. So it's going 800. Yeah, it wanted that. Now we got a weak high or a strong high up here. Any liquidity there? Not really. Could take it. Ooh. Boom, boom, boom. Nice move. This thing is taking so much buy side liquidity. New 5-minute candle. Wow. It's taking out everything. Hey, what's going on? Emma Grace, blessings to you. Yes, this market is on a tear. Are you seeing this? Are you witnessing this? This historic run all week. It's been on a tear every single day. Stunning. But right now I'm on this here is the 1-minute chart on Tradeovate, 20 Apex funded accounts, and I made a trade in the Asian session, so I'm up. I tried to go short twice and lost like 20 bucks each time, so small losses, but we're still up overall from the Asian session win. So I'm up like 280 bucks across those 20 accounts. And yeah, so live here in Panama City, Panama, and it is hot. Another hot day, but it's a great place though. Great place to be. Man, we are pushing up nicely. Pushing up nicely. I mean, this thing's already taking so much liquidity. I don't even know where it's trying to go right now. But I can try to turn on. So in this type of situation, I'll turn on like they're called pivot points, and just gives you possible areas of rejection and or support. Yeah, rejection or support. Now we have one level at, no, I'm on the wrong asset. Okay. 26,730 was a level of support on the pivot, and it actually bounced from that. So, and then the next level on the pivot point is 26,897.50. So that would be the next possible rejection. Doesn't mean it's gonna do it, but 897.50 is the next possible area that we could reject, because there's no more liquidity up here, and so if we break down below 26,730 or above 26,897.50, that would be these areas to look at. So I can make a line here. So I said 730.75 that's way down here. 730.75. So we got this little faint line right here, but this would be a level. If we break down below this level, we could look to go short, and if we break above 897, $897.50. we could look to go long. So these are 2 pivot points. So we got these 2 levels, above this, below that. It's not showing nothing right now. It's not showing anything. Wow. Got some big time buyers stepping in here. What the heck? Hold up. Hold up. 3,000. 3,000. Let me see something on this chart. That was a nothing crazy on that yet, but I gotta keep an eye on these numbers. And I need to look for something. I need to look for an outlier. This is a 5-minute chart. Man. So we got passive, aggressive seller, passive buyers. 37. I need to try to go short right there because
Order filled.
that was I want to see how this holds up. We break it back down below 36. 36.75. I don't know. Did go back up though. We can close below 825. I don't know if we're gonna get that though. I probably need to wait for that. Let's see if we can close below 825. That's right here. I'll go short again at 825. Below 36.75. That's basically just right here though. Can we get down below 836?
Stop filled.
2 micros. Try to fire off another one right here.
Stop filled.
Three micros.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Tighten up that stop loss. See if we can get a run here. Lock in some profit there. Let's go. Let's keep going. Don't take me out this play yet. I gotta keep it tight though, because I'm already up on the day. But don't get it out. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's gonna do it.
Stop filled.
It's gonna do it. Hey, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Okay, but man, I wanted one more or two more nice candles like that. Ooh, that would have been juicy. Juicy fruit. Okay. Alright. We'll take it though. We'll take it. That nice little push down right there. Man, I was I wanted that. Man, I wanted that right there. But it's all good. It's all good. It's all good in the neighborhood. Top. Oh, I can probably add it right here though. Screen 2. Man, I wanted to get that. So this is my other screen right here. So I got this. What you see is a 1 minute chart. This is the weekly high that we took out. Point of control, Fibonacci right here. But that's it. That's it. Now we have ended the day $456 across all all 20 of the Apex funded accounts. That brings us to $9,120 on the day. So good day, green day. And hey, everybody have a great weekend. I'm gonna shut this thing down, and I'll catch you all next week.